Ooh. So we started our second hike of the week. It's going to take us up there somewhere. New one to me, this one. Followed it on all trails. It's pissing down, which is all going to be fun. But let's see how we get on. I actually walked from the car park rather than the car park by the start of the walk. It's only an extra mile. Something about 6 miles today, I think. All good, all fun. Let's do it. Well, worth my lane, just on the road and the paths really. On the way there. Weather forecast is rain all day, but it's quite a nice view. The clouds are coming in. I'm glad they did the mountains yesterday. But yeah, hammering down all day, as you can probably hear and probably see on my wet head. Yeah, no hat today. I'm only soaking wet hat. But it's all part of the fun, I suppose. You cannot let a day go. You can't just waste it. Get out there and do something. A bit of rain, who cares? It's all part of the fun. All part of the adventure. And there's Lake Coniston there as well, through there. On the way back I'll have a walk down the beach way. Yeah, good start, wet start, but who cares? All good fun. Good start to the day. Oh yes. Great start to the day. My duckos. Bit choppy out there today. Right, that's the walk. Here's the start. So it's to Monk Coniston. You can park in that car park there. I've walked the extra mile because I don't like driving when I'm on holiday. I'll do enough of it when I'm at home. But yeah. Oh, right. Beautiful scenery to start. Completely different from the mountainside. Make the most of this raining or non-raining. So that's the mountains that side. I was up there yesterday. Completely different walk today. A little bit calmer on my legs. Yeah, it was a bit further than I thought. It was just over 11 miles yesterday. I put it on my Instagram stories. But yeah, woke up this morning. My legs, I couldn't move my legs. But to walk it off, I think. Thankfully, it's not going to be super steep. So yeah, all good. Gate 2, somebody's glorious house. Look at that. That's where I walk from. Stunning. Path. You are here. Walking the path leads you through the gardens and grounds of Monk Coniston Hall and Ornsworth Tarn House. Feel free to feel free pleasure. Oh, that's nice. Oh, here we go. There are walled gardens at Monk Coniston. Fruit and veg, and a bit weedy. Apart from that, it's quite a nice little garden. So we're heading towards Tarn House, which is that way. It looks a beautiful walk, to be honest. It's nice and flat-ish. Yeah, it's spectacular. The massive trees and the greenery. At least with the rain you're covered a little bit, which is good. All good. Number 3. Ooh, we went there. Make sure you shut the gates. Right, and watch the road as you go across. Oh. And it's up that path all the way then. Let's do it. Little bridge. Beautiful, isn't it? A few trees down. So glad the trees are here. You get soaking wet, pissing down. Ooh. Yeah, it's peeing down today. What I was expected, but thank the trees, keeping me dry. Right, that is now 2.5 miles in, soaking wet. Into a big gate. We've got to try and figure out. No, that's wrong end. Where is the gate? Oh, that's him. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure he's locked. Cyclists beware, steep descents, uneven surfaces, severe drops. Oh, go for it. Right, as I said, 2.5 miles in, soaking wet. Yeah, it's a beautiful walk. It's just, compared to the mountains, where mountains are just intense and you've got to watch every single step you take. But with this nice paved path walk, pretty much like this all the way around, really, to be honest. And it's just so relaxing on the legs and the mind, because as I said, you need to focus when you're up in those mountains. On the previous video when I did the Old Man of Coniston and Brimfell, it was pretty brutal, as I said, but today's is lovely. Nice peaceful walk. And so may it continue, even with the rain. What? Oh no, cattle. No swimming, no boating, no bombing. Right, this is where we are. You are here. Can't see where the coffee shop is though. Members part 3. I'm not a member. But yeah, so we're going to walk. So we're here, we'll walk across the road and around Lake Tarn, or Tarn House, round, and do the loop back that way. There's waterfalls apparently, which is good. Part 4. Huh? Hey? Hey? Oh god, look at that. Tarn House. Beautiful. walk that every day with the dogs. Coming back into a little beach. So peaceful. Look at it. Well, not me. It's a bit wet today, unfortunately, so my lenses needs a bit of a wipe. That's better. You can see my glorious face now in pure Technicolor. Look at it. That's lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous, as I keep saying. Lake District is just incredible. Love it. Okay, I think we're about 4 miles in now. Let's have a look. About 3.5 miles in. Still go walking around the lake. Still as beautiful as ever. It's a shame there were so many places to sit and chill and have some lunch, benches and stuff, and with beautiful views, but it's just peeing down. So yeah, so as I said, 3.5 miles in. I think I got about another 3 miles back now. Shame it's such a wet day, but oh well. What I find with the rain, this is just me, it's really refreshing. Okay, I'm going to take the same route back because one, it's under cover with the trees a little bit, and it's absolutely bucking it down, and I'm drenched, and I just can't be bothered to walk back, even though it's the same distance. I don't know if I'll ever stay under cover of the trees for a little bit, to be honest. But yeah, whew, it is a rainy day. When I get back, I'm going to have a coffee. That's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to have a shower though, again. Second shower of the day just to warm up, and then a coffee. Yeah, on a dry day, this walk or cycle, to be honest, you can cycle it as well, would be just amazing. Would be just amazing. But on a soaking wet day, it's fun, but some people might not enjoy it. And I mean, it is peeing down. As I said, walking amongst the trees on the way back now is definitely the better option. Even though I'm soaking wet, I just don't want to walk across open fields or wherever it is. I've just done walk around the lake. So it looked like a 5.2 mile hike plus another mile from the hotel. It's actually turned into about 7. I'll figure it out when I get back, but this just seems really long. But there we go, it's easy. Right, that's it for the day, I think. Just a mile back now to the hotel, Crown at Coniston, and then shower time and a coffee. My feet are actually hurting today, but my legs are starting to give again after yesterday's. So, but yeah, probably a 6 or 7 miler again today. Shame about the weather. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it. British weather for you. But apart from that, it was okay. It was alright. start of the day up. On a dry day it'd be incredible, but on a wet day it's tough going. Right, everybody else,